Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Top 10 most expensive cars in the world. So make sure to watch the full video. In the realm of automotive engineering, where luxury meets performance, an elite class of cars exemplifies opulence and exclusivity. These exceptional vehicles captivate car enthusiasts and collectors alike, commanding staggering price tags that only a fortunate few can afford. In this video, we discovered the crème de la crème of automotive excellence, the world's top 10 most expensive cars. 1 Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. At the summit of automotive grandeur is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Inspired by the legendary Type 57 Hesse Atlantic, this masterpiece is a tribute to elegance and innovation. With a handcrafted carbon fiber body, a remarkable 1,479 horsepower engine, and a top speed of over 260 miles per hour, the La Voiture Noire reigns supreme as the world's most expensive car. 2 Rolls-Royce Sweattail, $13 million. Representing bespoke luxury and craftsmanship, the Rolls-Royce Sweattail is second on our list. Commissioned by an anonymous connoisseur, this tailored beauty features a unique and extravagant design reminiscent of classic Rolls-Royce models. With meticulous attention to detail and unrivaled exclusivity, the Sweattail showcases the epitome of automotive individuality. 3 Bugatti Centoviesi, $9 million. Paying homage to the iconic Bugatti EB110, the Bugatti Centoviesi claims the third position on our prestigious list. With its striking aerodynamic design and a robust 1,578 horsepower engine, this limited edition masterpiece can reach an impressive top speed of 236 miles per hour. With only 10 models ever produced, the Centoviesi encapsulates rarity and magnificence. 4 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero, $8 million. Embodying elegance and power, the Mercedes-Benz Maybach Exelero secures 4th place. This high-performance luxury coupe combines the prowess of a twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 690 horsepower, with unparalleled sophistication and craftsmanship. With its bold lines and bespoke design, the Exelero is an exceptional masterpiece that exudes prestige. 5 Bugatti Divo, $5.8 million. With its aerodynamic splendor and track-focused engineering, the Bugatti Divo claims the 5th spot. Limited to just 40 units, this hypercar possesses a mighty 1,479 horsepower engine and a top speed of 236 miles per hour. The Divo is renowned for its unrivaled handling, agility, and breathtaking performance, making it a sought-after gem among automotive enthusiasts. 6 Pagani Huayra Imola, $5.4 million. Commanding attention with its striking design and exceptional performance, the Pagani Huayra Imola secures the 6th position. With a mighty 827 horsepower engine, the Imola delivers exhilarating speed and dynamic precision. With meticulous attention to detail and handcrafted excellence, Pagani showcases its expertise in creating automotive works of art. 7 Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, $4.8 million. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute claims the 7th spot, representing the pinnacle of Swedish engineering. This hypercar is designed for ultimate speed and performance, with a staggering top speed of 330 miles per hour. Its 1,600 horsepower engine and cutting-edge aerodynamics make it a true marvel of automotive engineering. 8 Lamborghini Veneno Roadster, $4.5 million. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster takes the 8th spot, boasting a design that resembles a striking and aggressive predator. With a powerful 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 740 horsepower, this limited edition masterpiece offers a thrilling and adrenaline-pumping driving experience. 9 Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, $3.9 million. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus claims the 9th position to prove its dominance in the automotive world. This exceptional hypercar set a new speed record, reaching a mind-boggling 304.77 miles per hour. Its quad-turbocharged UE16 engine generates a jaw-dropping 1,578 horsepower, making it a true engineering marvel. 10 Pagani Huayra Bisu Roadster, $3.5 million. Closing our prestigious list is the Pagani Huayra Bisu Roadster, an extraordinary blend of power and artistry. With a handcrafted V12 engine producing 791 horsepower, This limited edition convertible delivers a symphony of performance and precision. Meticulously engineered and adorned with bespoke craftsmanship, the Huayra Roadster represents the epitome of automotive luxury. The realm of luxury automobiles showcases the zenith of automotive engineering and design. The world's top 10 most expensive cars embody a blend of exceptional performance, craftsmanship, and opulence that elevate them to a league of their own. While their price tags may be out of reach for most, they serve as a testament to the artistry and innovation that continue to push the boundaries of automotive excellence. Thank you for joining us on this captivating adventure of knowledge and inspiration. We hope our video has sparked your curiosity, expanded your horizons, and ignited your imagination. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's continue to explore, learn, and create together. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world's wonders. Thanks for watching.